Across to Ashish Parekh, my colleague joining us from the newsrooms. Ashish, good afternoon. Significant development, but what we're given to understand is while reports suggesting that he's been detained, sources also suggesting that he's been arrested. What are we picking up at the moment and what more can you tell us?
All right, absolutely, Nivedna. In fact, big news that's coming in right now as far as Allu Arjun is concerned. Now we're talking about how he has been picked up by the police. We cannot say he's been arrested at this point in time because, of course, this entire matter is under investigation. And unless there's an official statement that comes in from the police, we cannot really speculate anything at this point in time. But one thing that we are sure about is that he has been picked up by the police, and you see very clearly the visuals there of him being taken to the police station. And what we're understanding is that because he's been booked under a very serious section, it is of course BNS section 105, which is of course deals with culpable homicide not amounting to murder. So in a way he's also being held liable for the death that happened that day of the woman at the Sandhya Theatre. And of course it's a very serious allegation, it's a very serious charge, and a lot of statements have also come in from the victim's family as well. So Allu Arjun finding himself in troubled waters, but no one really anticipated him to be picked up this early. And of course the police is now quickening up the investigation in this entire matter. And right now, Nivedna, what we can tell our viewers is that it cannot be called an arrest. We cannot even confirm that this is a detention. But what we can say for sure that he's been taken to the police station to register a statement as the investigation of this entire matter is currently underway. And what we've seen over the past few days is that statements of everyone else involved, the theatre management, Allu Arjun's team, all the statements are being collected. So as of now, this in fact seems like one of those procedures that the police is doing it. In fact, one thing that's confusing, one thing that's baffling here at this point in time is that why did the police not take his statement at his residence? Why is he being taken to the police station? Now, this is an interesting thing that's happened there, and this is exactly what's causing a lot of storm even on social media right now. Allu Arjun being arrested is something that's trending, but this at this moment isn't an arrest. He's a statement is being recorded from him, but of course, we've seen in this sort of cases in the past as well, things do escalate very quickly. So if the cops have enough evidence, if they are convinced that Allu Arjun is directly responsible, well, we could see this matter escalating in a few hours' time. But again, at this moment, all we can say is that he's been taken for a statement. A statement will be recorded, and further action will, of course, be taken by the police, depending on the other statements that have been collected over the past few days.
Absolutely. In fact, as you pointed out, we continue to reiterate that for the moment, he has been detained. In terms of that official confirmation coming through, in terms of the arrest, we'll, of course, have to wait for that to come through. But Ashish, one of the pointers that you did, put into perspective as to how this is not the first time. And that's essentially why in the action of the FIR, we do see that it was just not the actor, but also the management of the theatre also that had been named in it, considering the fact that we know what kind of a big superstar Allu Arjun is. One would expect, such massive crowds to gather. And in the South, per se, we do know they're larger than life, especially that entire first day, first show, multiple, instances of every Friday, how that has panned out. Perhaps, in a sense, that could have been better managed. If you could just drop perspective as to what really happened that day. One hand, we do know how big Pushpa Frenzy 2 has become across the country. But more importantly, when you know something like that is going to be happening, it should have perhaps been planned better.
Well, if you say that this could have been managed better, yes, the police could have, of course, done something different. But at the end of the day, Allu Arjun and his team and also the Sandhya Theatre management could have also done something different that fateful evening at Sandhya Theatre to ensure that people who come there are safe as well. So clearly there has been a lapse on the part of the theatre management, Allu Arjun's team, and potentially even Allu Arjun, as has been mentioned in the FIR as well. So clearly someone has to be held liable, someone has to be held responsible. It wasn't something that happened out of the blue. It was clear case of mismanagement, and this is something that we've been seeing in multiple cases, in multiple movie show premieres in the past as well. Fans, of course, continue to throng theatres. There is absolutely no idea. Even the police, one of the statements I had seen in some of the reports is that the cops continue to ask Allu Arjun's team for a timing, the time when Allu Arjun would arrive to the theatre so that they could manage the crowd better. They were not given a clear idea about that. That was also being said as one of the reasons why there was a sudden rush of fans and there was complete chaos and mismanagement. ultimately resulting in the death as well. So somewhere, someone has to be held accountable. There has to be some sort of a message that is sent out as well to all these actors that, of course, thrive on the popularity, thrive on fans coming and pouring in large numbers. Jam-packing the entire streets and, of course, showing their affection as well. While that is completely acceptable and understandable, it also is the onus, is the responsibility of the actor, his team, and the theatre management that's organizing the premiere to ensure that the fans that are arriving there, spending their quality time trying to get a glimpse of the actor, they are also kept safe. So clearly on multiple fronts there was a lapse that had occurred, and the police now clearly realizing that there needs to be accountability that's fixed. And like you rightly pointed out, in the south this is a culture that is very, very prevalent, but also at the same time is very dangerous. All these fans flocking as well. In fact, not just outside the theatre, we also saw many scenes of firecrackers being burst inside the theatre as well. So fans do go overboard, but at the end of the day, it's the responsibility of the people managing it and the people benefiting from this fan following to ensure that the fans who arrive are also held or also kept safe, and the responsibility is also fixed. So clearly there, the police, again, the most intriguing thing here is that police could have questioned him at his residence given the circumstances and also the fan following he has, but they have decided to take him to the police station. So not really sure what's really happening, why they decided to pick him up and take him to the police station for questioning, but we'll of course try to get a better idea as the time passes. And of course reactions from the fans will start pouring in now as this news continues to break and we continue to get all the updates from that place.
Absolutely, Ashish. As you keep us ahead with the latest that we're picking up, of course, we're waiting for that official confirmation if he's, of course, been arrested. But for the moment, what we do know is he's been detained. But you have, of course, drawn perspective on several aspects as to accountability in such cases. But you're also raising several questions in the manner in which this is panned out. But more importantly, just for our viewers to better understand that what happened at Sandhya Theatre on December 5th, concerning the fact that, like I did point out earlier, we know what massive success this film has been. And more importantly, when you know a star like him is going to be descending to be meeting the fans with that frenzy. It's not just the southern film industry. Now he's perhaps become a pan-India star with this particular movie and the success of the previous one. In that aspect of what really transpired on that day, if our viewers would understand as to why he's even been named in the case, along with, of course, the theatre management as well.
Well, absolutely. Now, this entire incident occurred on December 4, and this was, of course, said to be a premiere that was held at the Sandhya Theatre, which is also a popular theatre and something that also hosts multiple such events. And all these are PR activities that are done by actors and their teams to ensure that there is a lot of buzz that is created about the movie. And also at the same time, there is a lot of fan service that's done as well, with the star then arriving to the theatre, watching the movie with the fans, and also putting on a show for the fans as well to create some sort of a buzz for the movie. And this is all done in the earlier days of the movie. And this is exactly what was planned on December 4. But what was not planned is the security and the management of the fans that would be arriving. Now, whether the teams of both from the Allu Arjun side and also the theatre management did not anticipate so many fans, or did they get something else wrong, that's of course a matter of investigation. And that's exactly what even the cops are now trying to understand, because of course the theatre management at the end of the day is responsible for the arrangement that happens as well, but also there is a responsibility of the actor and his team as well to ensure that the management of the theatre and also the police that is providing security there is aware of the situation when the actor is arriving. Because if you see a lot of these visuals of the premieres that happen down south as well, as soon as the actor arrives, there's a lot of commotion, there's a lot of movement that happens as well. And when there is a very tight space, it does lead to stampede and situations that are not really, that are very ugly to look at as well and could be dangerous. And earlier we've not really seen such scenes play out, but here that day a 35-year-old woman passed away. Her son was also hospitalized as well. He was serious as well. So lot of things happened. There were other people as well who got injured. So clearly what was very visible is the fact that there was massive mismanagement. Now, who's responsible for it? That's a matter of investigation. That's exactly what the cops are trying to understand, whether it was the theatre management which is responsible for ensuring that the fans arrive and also the security of the entire place is put in place, whether it was Allu Arjun's team that was supposed to inform both the police and the theatre management of the time when the actor would arrive, and also the exact details and the itinerary of the entire event. Who's responsible? That's exactly what the cops are trying to understand. But right now, what we are understanding is that Allu Arjun is also very actively a party to this investigation. He will not be let off the hook. And we've seen this in the past, how actors get away with such incidents. They say they announce some sort of a compensation for the family. Allu Arjun, in this particular case, announced 25 lakh rupees for the family of this deceased woman. But clearly, that is not something that they are happy with. They want accountability. They want the person responsible for the death to be held accountable, to be treated, to be in fact tried, and justice should be delivered as well. That's the demand that's coming in from the family of the victim as well. And Allu Arjun,
Right, Ashish.
like I mentioned earlier as well, is well and truly a party to this entire crime that has occurred, and of course could be held liable as well. What really will be the action taken? That is something that we'll find out over the course of the day.
Remains to be seen. Absolutely. But thank you very much for joining us on that big development, helping us draw perspective, not only in terms of the latest that we're picking up, but several other aspects of such incidents that have come to light. Having said that, taking a cue from what Ashish, my colleague, did point out, there was that compensation that came through, the reaction earlier when the tragedy took place. What exactly did Allu Arjun say while, of course, talking about that tragic incident when this did come to light? Let's listen into what he had to say.
Firstly, I would like to say condolences to the entire family. Revati garu family ki condolences from me and the entire team of Pushpa. మేము ఏం చేసినా ఈ లాస్ మేము ఏం చేసినా ఎంత మాట్లాడినా దిస్ లాస్ కెన్ నెవర్ బి కెన్ నెవర్ బి కవర్డ్. అండ్ మా సైడ్ నుంచి what we would like to say is that we want to tell you that we're emotionally there for you. మీకు ఏం కావాల్సిన మాకు కుదిరినంత శక్తిలో మీకు ఏ హెల్ప్ కావాలన్నా ఎలా కావాలన్నా వీ లైక్ టు టెల్ యూ దట్ వీ లైక్ టు బీ దేర్ ఫర్ యూ. అండ్ నా తరపు నుంచి ఐడ్ లైక్ టు donate an amount of rupees 25 lakhs. This is just as a goodwill gesture. అంటే నేను మీ వైపు ఐఎమ్ దేర్ ఫర్ యూ, నా యాక్షన్స్లో చూడండి, నన్ను నమ్మండి, నేను మీకోసం ఉన్నాను అని ఒక జెస్చర్గా ఐడ్ లైక్ టు గివ్ దమ్ 25 lakhs rupees ఫర్ దర్ ఫ్యూచర్, టు సెక్యూర్ దర్ ఫ్యూచర్. అండ్ ఎస్పెషలీ పిల్లలు ఉన్నారంట, సో టు టెల్ దెమ్ దట్ ఐల్ బీ దేర్ ఫర్ దెమ్. వాళ్ళకి ఏ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సపోర్ట్ కావాలన్నా కూడా విల్ ట్రై టు బీ దేర్ యాజ్ మచ్ as పాసిబుల్ అని ఒక గుడ్విల్ జెస్చర్గా చేస్తున్నాం. అండ్ దీనికి జరిగిన మెడికల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్, దీనికి సంబంధం లేకుండా దీనికి జరిగిన మెడికల్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్, మిగతా ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ అంతా కూడా మేము వీడ్ లైక్ టు టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ అండ్ కీప్ యూ కంఫర్టబుల్ ఎట్ దిస్ అవర్. ఎందుకంటే వీ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ time for the family to deal with, and we'd like to do all the things to support you at this hour. And నా తరపు నుంచి, మా ఎంటైర్ టీమ్ తరపు నుంచి మీ అందరికీ వీ లైక్ టు సే కండోలెన్సెస్ టు ద ఫ్యామిలీ.